Today I'm going to show you how to hide cell values from view. What I'm going to do in this exercise is I'm going to hide the values from here. Later on I'm going to put a value here. This is a helper column overdue flag, and this is the status. Also I'm going to put the values here because I'm going to use the formula for both status and overdue flag. So what's the reason for hiding overdue flag, this helper column? We're gonna hide this. Hiding the overdue flag in a fleet maintenance tracker, just like this one, what we have here, isn't just about aesthetics or making it look good. Okay, it's a strategic move that supports clean design, automation, and user experience. Okay, so the user might trying to protect the formula, or trying to protect the data or the value in this worksheet, so that uh, accidental alteration might not happen. Like for example, if there are three people using the same desktop, like let's say three clerks or three um, encoder, working in shifts, something like that. One is the first shift, afternoon shift, and night shift, and things like that, and they're using the same desktop, and somebody might accidentally alter the information or the data or the formula here in the overdue flag. So that is a user experience trying to protect everything that he does, especially if the database is a long one, or the file is a very long one, and you don't want alteration or changes in your work. So trying to protect it. So what we're trying to do is we're gonna protect it. We're gonna hide the overdue flag. Just putting this as just as an example. So, and there are other reasons like cleaner dashboard presentation, back-end logic separation, or the mail merge and reporting automation, or protecting the formula integrity, just like what I said, no, protecting the formula integrity, or focus on actionable insights. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use three options in hiding, or through three ways in hiding the data or the formula, right? So, but first I'm gonna put some value here. So I'm gonna use the if function. Okay, I'm gonna use today as well, and then open close parenthesis, then minus. I'm gonna get this next due date D2, and then I'm gonna ask whether this is higher than 30 days. So we specify the 30 days as our PM interval, preventive maintenance servicing interval. So 30 days, value if true, I'm gonna say overdue. Okay, then value if false, I'm just gonna say okay, then click OK. Okay, we get overdue here. I'm gonna copy it down. We got some overdues and we get some okay. So the next one is I'm gonna use again the F formula. So I'm gonna use today as well. Today, then open close parenthesis. Then I'm gonna ask whether today is greater than the next PM date, next preventive maintenance schedule. Okay, D2. If true, 1. If false, 0. Then I'm gonna close it and enter. Okay, we got 1, we got zeros as well. Okay, in our overdue flag, we're using 1 or 0. Okay, and there are green indicator here. I'm gonna remove that. Okay, this is indicator for errors, so I'm gonna say ignore errors. Okay, so I'm gonna select the column overdue flag. Now the first option is Okay, I'm gonna use the custom number format to hide values. Okay, this method keeps the values in the cells but makes them invisible on the sheet. Right? We cannot see them, invisible. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press Control plus 1. So okay, I'm gonna select the number, then I'm gonna go to the custom. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type the I'm gonna replace the general. Okay, I'm gonna type the 3 semicolon, 1 2 3 3 semicolons, and then click OK. So it disappear. No more. Okay, no more. Okay, let's see if we can see it in the formula bar. So I'm gonna click the view tab. I'm gonna click the formula bar. So we can still see the overflow flag. We can see the formula. Okay, the formula is hidden. So the formula is safe for the user by by hiding it. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is to restore or to show it back. I'm gonna open the Control plus 1 again, the dialog box. I'm just gonna click the general, okay, and then click OK. So it was restored. Okay, it was shown again also in the formula bar. All right. So the second option that I was talking about is using the cell protection. Okay, this is actually more secure, and this hides the formula. We're hiding the formula because we want to protect the formula from the sheet and the formula bar as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click the Control plus 1 to get this. Then I'm gonna click the protection, and then I'm gonna click the hidden, and I'm gonna click OK. Then I'm gonna go to the review tab in the ribbon. Then I'm gonna open the protect sheet. Then make sure that the format cell is not clicked here. And also for the password, this is optional. It's up to you. You use the password or you don't. To really protect the sheet, you use the password. Okay, then click OK. And me, I'm not gonna use the password, so I'm gonna click OK. All right. Okay. So if you see the formula bar right here, no more formula. You don't see the formula, so the formula is protected. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show it back. I'm gonna restore it. Okay, then I'm gonna unprotect. Okay, so what you do is, or what you see is, you see it again in the formula bar. Okay, the formulas, right? Then okay, on the third option, we can actually twist to using a VBA for dynamic control. Okay, so we can toggle visibility using macros. We can show it, we can hide it, we can show it, we can hide it. By using the macro, I'm gonna create 2 macros for this. One is for the hiding, and one is for the showing of the values. Right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click the developer tab. I'm gonna click the Visual Basic. Then I'm gonna insert the module. Then I'm gonna close this Windows to have a bigger screen. I'm gonna write the macro now sub. I'm gonna name it hide cell values. This would be our macro name for the hiding. Enter. Then I'm gonna include the range. So the range, keep open parenthesis, then quotation mark. Okay, I'm gonna go to the range. What is the range? From the overdue flag, F1 to F11. Okay, so going back to Visual Basic. Okay, I'm gonna include F1, okay, to F11. That would be our range. Then I'm gonna close it. Then I'm gonna use the number format. Okay, number format tab, then equal sign. Now I'm gonna use the 3 semicolon. 1, 2, 3, then quotation mark. Alright, then alright, that's it. So I'm gonna write the second macro sub. Instead of hide, I'm gonna say show cell values. Alright, that would be our macro name. Then again, I'm gonna include the range, but I'll just copy this to make it quicker. Control C, copy. Then we're gonna go back here, then Control V to paste. Right, so range is okay, F1 to F11 is okay, dot number format is okay, but we're gonna change this 3 semicolon. I'm gonna say general. Okay, alright, then okay, that's it. I'm going back to the Excel. Okay, here I'm gonna open the macros, and then I'm gonna run the hide values. So it's already hidden. Okay, but you still okay, hang on, but you still see the formula here in the formula bar. Okay, I can see the formula. Then going back to the macros, I'm gonna show cell values, run it. Okay, it was restored, but that is taking a long time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna in the hide cell values, I'm gonna get the option. Okay, and then I'm gonna include the shortcut key control plus. So to hide, I'm gonna say H hide. Click OK, and for the show cell values, I'm gonna create the shortcut key as well. I'm gonna say show, so control plus S, then OK. Then I'm gonna cancel this. So remember the hide control plus H, then the show control plus S, control plus H, control plus S, show, control plus H, you're toggling it, control plus show. Okay, so that's it for our exercise for today. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.